Hello there, it's Tuesday edition of Business Nigeria. Welcome and thank you for joining us on the show. Now, these are the top stories we're tracking for you at this time. The Naira appreciates by 0.35% against the dollar at the official markets. World Bank says continuous reforms helping Nigeria's economic growth. Asian stocks stall, dollar wobbles as trade optimism flop. On the show today, for the first segment, we will take a look at Nigeria Export Promotion Council, which reveals that Nigeria's non-oil exports hit $1.791 billion in the first quarter of 2025, up 24.75%. And on the other side, we'll look at efforts of the federal government in transforming its food and agricultural sector by launching the construction of the $510 million Special Agro-Industrial Processing Zones (SABZ), financed by the African Development Bank. Let's start with major stories making headlines around the world of business. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, has confirmed that Nigeria has repaid the $3.4 billion COVID loan from the International Monetary Fund, IMF. The minister said this while briefing State House correspondents after the 6th Federal Executive Council meeting. He explained that the loan was taken during the COVID-19 period before the current administration, but President Bola Tinubu viewed government as a continuum and directed that the country exited the debt. Mr. Idris emphasized that the move demonstrates Nigeria's seriousness and capacity to meet her debt obligations, signaling to investors that Nigeria was responsibly managing her finances. Additionally, the minister announced that FEC had directed the Bureau for Public Procurement, BPP, to communicate the new procurement thresholds for goods and services to ministries, departments, and agencies. The Naira appreciated on Monday at the official market, trading at 1,600 Naira 44 kaba to a dollar. Data from the Central Bank of Nigeria's website show that the Naira gained 5 Naira 71 dollars. This represents a 0.35% when compared to 1,606 Naira 15 kaba per dollar recorded on Friday, May the 9th, 2025. The Naira slumped in the early part of the previous week. The local currency traded on Thursday, May 8, 2025 at 1,609.64 to the dollar.